What's up, everybody? It's your girl K1A Fierce. I'm here with a unpackaging video. So yeah, make sure you guys are following me before I get into it. And so today's video, we are unpackaging some press-on nails. If you guys know me, I love nails, but I do hair, so like I can't always keep them on. So this video is for anybody who likes to have like that girly like flair on the weekends, but you know, when you're doing hair or when you're, you know, if you're sewing or sculpturing, I don't know, like whatever you're doing that involves using your hands and you can't really like, even if you play an instrument, but you want to just look cute for the evening, check out Eating Bond Nails. That is what we're going to be looking at today. We're going to be checking out some of her press-on, and we're just going to see what she got. So this is the packaging. It comes in cute little pink envelope. And then you have this. So you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that's pretty much how everything looks. And then you just, so first things first, this is her care card. Ooh, can you guys see it? This is a care card, which is super cute. It has glitter on it. At first I thought it was a sticker because it's like thick, you know what I'm saying, like me. Thought it was like a little peel off. But yeah, so these are the instructions. I already know how to do mine. Gently push back your cuticle. You know, make sure your surface is clean before you start to put the nails on. But that's good that she has instructions for you newbies out there. So the next thing, she has all of the supplies, which I thought was really cute because, you know, she has glue, which I know people say like, you know, you should use like the nail glue. Sometimes like, because I have experience, actually no, some nail glues are really good. Like this is, I haven't used this one yet, but I'll let you guys know. But some nail glue just don't hold. It just, if God don't do it, it won't get done. And then I love these things right here. So you can see that these are like little nail adhesives. Another nail company uses these, and I love them because you literally just peel them off, put them on there, and then when you get ready to peel the other side off to put it on your nail, it's simple. It works just like that, and they hold for like a few days to a week, depending on how many times you put your hands in water. So yeah, she has the alcohol cut. She has the alcohol wipes. So yeah, and I guess if you don't have these, like say if you run out of these, which she put a lot in there, but if you run out, you can just use regular alcohol, or you can just wipe it off with some warm water and wipe your nails off. So yeah, that's that. Now let's get into the real matter at hand. So all of these nails are custom, which I am very happy about because I'm custom. You get to choose, so like if you want to order from her, you get to choose the shape, the length, and then also the design, of course, the colors, all of that. You get to pick and choose whatever you want, and she'll just make them for you. These are the square medium length, and I'm going to make sure you guys have a better picture of these. And these are, I am obsessed now. At first I wasn't obsessed with like the almond oval shape, but now I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed because one of my girls, Ann Wynn, shout out to my girl Ann, she be killing the little almond, the little oval shape. So you can see those. So I got 3 packs, which I'm excited about. These are gonna be my favorite ones. That little rainbow. So yeah, and these are clear and they just have like the rainbow on them. Let's see, you can see that. This light is just taking me all the way out, exposing me, but in a good way. So yeah, I had 3 different sets, 3 different shapes, 3 different lengths, 3 different designs, and I'm gonna probably wear each of them somewhere. Like these, I'm probably gonna wear these to like a festival because rainbow. These are cute for like the evening, the square ones with the foil, cute for the evening. And these are super funky. These are probably cute for like the weekend, you know, with that lime green in the summertime. But I'm gonna go ahead and probably wear them like as soon as possible. So yes, but in between my personal ones, I take a little break. I just had someone, so I'm gonna take a break before I wear my Eden Bond nails. And yeah, make sure you guys are, like I said, make sure you guys are following me. I'm gonna be doing more of these unpackaging videos. This is my first one, but I've had like so many different opportunities to do an unpackaging video. So y'all just stay tuned.